Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money in 30 minutes by watching videos. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. What's important is that what you'll be doing will directly help others. So this video is perfect for you if you want to earn money online while making other people happy. Not only that, but you'll learn how to maximize your performance and possibly earn even more income. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. This website has transferred about $4 million to people's PayPal accounts. Have a look at this. It pays directly to PayPal account. This is a worldwide available. This is a completely free service and this is something that everyone can do. It's a wonderful opportunity and here's the best part. It's totally free. Take a look at this company's reviews, which has a 4.8 star rating on review.io. This is a true service with a legit website. This is something you should look into right immediately. Let's take a look at this website. This is the official webpage and you can see PayPal right here. Tango cards, Amazon cards, Skrill, and even Bitcoin can be used to make payments. It's pretty impressive and there are various ways to get compensated. You can earn money by taking surveys and completing offers. But today, I'm going to focus on how you can earn money by reviewing short videos. Simply by watching videos on your phone or computer, you will have the option to begin receiving PayPal money right immediately. And when I say right away, I mean it. PayPal, Bitcoin, and Skrill pay out over 90% of payments within 8 hours. You can also trade your points for Tango gift cards, which can be used at a variety of stores including Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, Macy's, and others. So not only are you paid, but you get paid quickly through PayPal. Follow along with me so you don't miss any of the important steps in this video. I'm going to teach you how to start generating $15 in 30 minutes or more with this website right now. Superpay.me is the name of the website. It can be found at superpay.me. Basically, what you'll do is click on this button right here that says Join Free Today. This button will take you to the sign up page when you click it. You'll enter your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and password confirmation for free. It doesn't require your address, city, state, or country of origin, as you can see from the many countries listed above, and of course, your PayPal email address. In order to utilize this, you must have a PayPal account. You can also use your Payza, Skrill, or your Bitcoin email address. You must be at least 18 years old. And if you read and agree to the privacy statement, just click the button. You do not have to agree to receive Superpay.me's direct emails. However, you must select I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. I'm not a robot and you should establish an account right now. I'm going to go ahead and log in right now after signing up. After you arrive to this page, after you log into your account, you must follow my instructions precisely as I'm going to lay it out to you right now. And as you can see, just by signing up, I've already made 20 cents. You'll be signing up and I'll show you a bonus method shortly. With the same website, you may start making even more money. So stick with me and watch the entire video before jumping off and going to the website. Before we continue, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. So the first thing you need to do is click this offer walls button right here. I want you to select that and then go down to Add Sent Media and click that button. Once you've arrived, I'd like you to click on right here, where it says videos. You can now do additional things such as surveys. There are other ways to generate money with this website, but the emphasis is on videos and getting paid as promptly as possible via PayPal. Now, once you've done that, go to this page and click on videos. So if you continue browsing after clicking on videos, you'll notice a variety of categories such as food, music, celebrity, viral, best life, gaming, movie buzz, comedy, and so on. Watch the latest movie trailers, movie reviews, and movie news to earn money for each video you watch, as well as advertisements. To get started, simply tap the button below, which will open a new window. You're going to press this button. Now, notice what occurs when the window opens. It starts a completely new window. You'll begin watching these videos. I'm going to watch this commercial for a few minutes. So, if you've noticed, there are advertisements all over the place. This is how Superpay.me gets paid. You will get compensated by viewing an ad that appears on the website. Also, you will get paid with a movie-related video. However, after you begin viewing these videos, you may like them, connect with them, and always check the rewards button to see how many rewards you've earned while interacting with them. You can comment on the video, share it, and all of these actions will get you extra points. When you have enough points, you can convert them to PayPal money, which will be deposited directly into your bank account. Keep in mind that PayPal pays quite rapidly, so when you're done with this type of film, come back here and remember guys, I'm going to show you this bonus right now. All you have to do is choose another offer and click the button to watch the videos once more to earn a substantial sum of money. And now we have a better understanding of how this website actually works to generate passive income. Here's the extra bonus I wanted to share with you. I'm going to return to the main page, and this is massive. Then let me tell you why. The impact of social media, the power of YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, the influence of all of these social media platforms, that power is undeniably true. Why not harness the benefits and invite people to come check out this website? Now, if I click on the referral link in the banners, you'll see this referral program. With this, I'm going to get paid a massive 25% of the referral earnings, which is significant. For instance, if I bring in 10 or 40 individuals who will be doing the same thing as me, watching videos or filling out surveys and answering questions, why not take advantage of other people's effort and work to increase my bank account balance? Why shouldn't you do that? It's a clever approach to do online business. Referrals are extremely valuable, and there are organizations that will give you extra money simply for introducing them. Guess what? This same website and corporation are now paying you additional revenue. To summarize, you may generate passive income with this website by simply referring others to it so they can start earning money by watching videos, conducting surveys, and answering questions, and by using your affiliate link. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you on the next one.